The show starts.
Our trip from Tajikistan to India took 6 hours. My dream has become a reality. We have come to the beautiful city of Chennai by the support of the government of India through the ITEC program at Advanced Certificate Program on Skill Development in Electronics for Tibet Trainers and Planners course. 8 people in our group from 6 countries on 2 continents, Asia and Africa. We have already become friends, a small group but close-knit and with big hearts.
शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्.
Everything is going good. Classes began with a program and course for the development of electronic skills. Nowadays, we are taught by modern methods by candidates and doctors of sciences, experienced and knowledgeable professors. As part of the lesson, we learn programs learning outcomes for Tibet, PLC programming and bead instruction, solar installation, architecture of Arduino and Sketch, Python, LabVIEW programming, MATLAB basics, which are widely used in social and industrial life. The teachers showed us how to use the programs both theoretically and practically. Depending on our past lessons, we went to different universities. National Institute of Wind Energy and Chennai Institute of Technology, National Institute of Ocean Technology Chennai.
NIOT scientists deployed the indigenously developed Polar ROV during the recent scientific expedition to Antarctica. The vehicle was deployed at
Ramakrishna Mission Polytechnic College. In fact, education in India is at the highest level. Large laboratories are equipped with educational tools and equipment, robots, new equipment and technologies, and provide a favorable environment for students and researchers.
Okay, then you just consultancy next time. So book set, 3 books he has.
This is GPS. And yeah. So these are all the 3 sensors. Okay. Through IoT, Internet of Things, we will be.
So that's the electromagnet. Okay. The same way you will have a relay. Inside the relay you have a coil. So once you volts, this is normal thing. So here 24 volts is waiting. Okay. So if the relay is not in common condition, it will close.
Our favorite place is a cotton house. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu, the southernmost Indian state. It is the state primate city both in area and population and is located on the Coromandel coast of the Bay of Bengal. According to the 2011 Indian census, Chennai is the 6th most populous city in India and forms the 4th most populous urban agglomeration. India is a fantastic country. We are currently located in Chennai, the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is a city of dreams. Chennai is a densely populated and technological advanced city. Chennai is a historical and modern city. We visited Government Museum, Anna's Centenary Library, Marina Beach, Bay of Bengal, Tamil Nadu Science and Technology Center, Rajiv Gandhi Memorial, Phoenix Mall and other tourist places.
یادگاری تاریخی خیلی عجیب است. در آن نقش و نگار و اینچنین صنعت‌های ملی مردم هندوستان تصویر یافتند، تکاپی شدند. خب در میدان یادگاری تاریخی اینچنین چگونه می‌بینیم یک فیل بزرگ و دیگر گونه‌های بنای تاریخی ساخته شده است.
Anna Centenary Library, according to the available information, is the government library of the government of Tamil Nadu, located in Chennai in the Kottappuram district. It is the largest library in South Asia. The library was named in honor of the Chief Minister of the state, Anna Diraya, whose centenary was celebrated in 2009. Our guide informed us. The building has 9 floors and is designed to store 1 million books. At the entrance to the building there is a 1.5-meter bronze statue of Anna Diraya. The collection contains 550,000 books. اتمسفر زیبا و محیط زیبا برای خواندن است. در اینجا خیلی آرام. اینجا شنکرچه آینده هندوستان در اینجا قرار دارش. در دستش پفک از کتاب هایی که در اینجا موجود هستند معلوم می شود که او علامت های راه را مقایسه شده است. What is your name?
My name is Pita.
Meta?
So cute.
How old are you? How old are you?
5, 6, 5.
As we saw, the library consists of the department of braille text, the reading room for your own books, children's section, department of periodicals and so on. Government Museum Chennai. The Chennai City Museum really proves that India has a rich history. Finds statue 2,700 people visit the library every day. As we saw, the library consists of the department of braille text, the reading room for your own books, children's section, department of periodicals, and so on. Government Museum, Chennai. The Chennai City Museum really proves that India has a rich history. Finds, statues, and other objects of centuries ago have survived to this day. One day we went there, a large number of people came to see. We could even see foreign citizens.
جهانی ساحل مارینا بیچ کلانترین ساحل در کشور هندوستان با نام
Marina Beach, or simply the Marina, is a natural urban beach in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, along the Bay of Bengal. It is the second longest urban beach in the world. It is a prominent landmark in Chennai. Swimming in the marina are legally prohibited because of the dangers as the undercurrent is very turbulent. It is one of the most crowded beaches in the country and attracts about 30,000 visitors a day during weekdays and 50,000 visitors a day during the weekend and on holidays. During summer months, about 15,000 to 20,000 people visit the beach daily. We had a lot of fun at Marina Beach. We took photos and recorded videos. It was my first time on a beach with big waves. It was very convenient and we will never forget. According to the program, according to the program, our tour begins to Coimbatore and Ooty. Distance travel from Chennai to Coimbatore is very long because these people slept on the bus. It doesn't matter because they got up early in the morning. Coimbatore is a green city. The weather is good too. Sometimes rain and sometimes sunshine. In this city we visited Dr. NGP Institute of Technology in Coimbatore. GD Technical Training Institute and the South India Textile Research. Coimbatore, textile manufacturing, industry, trade information, technology, education and healthcare in Tamil Nadu. The city is often referred to as the Manchester of South India. During the journey from Coimbatore to Ooty, the attention of all of us was attracted by the beautiful nature, green hills and mountains, various trees, shrubs and bright flowers. We were particularly surprised by the many monkeys walking along the driveway.
اوهو بسیار منظره زیبا. کوههای بلند شهر اوتی. میبینیم که در اینجا دوستان ما قرار دارند. مایمونچه ها.
To be honest, we didn't understand the distance of the road because all attention was focused on nature.
Yeah, man! I love this place. It's so nice.
Uti is beauty. It is located nearby Coimbatore, Tirupur and Mysore. It is a popular hill station located in the Nilgiri. Uti officially known as Atagamandalam. It is a popular hill station located in the Nilgiri Hills. It is popularly called the Queen of Hill Station. We learned that Indians, especially the people of Chennai, are very kind and hospitable. Thanks to the government of India. Thanks to our university. Let the friendship of 8 people from our group grow stronger. Golden and unforgettable months in India. Let the friendship of 8 people from our group grow stronger. Golden and unforgettable months in India.